Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. My name is Kathy. In today's video, I am featuring a piece of art to hang over my couch on my patio in my backyard room. Hope you enjoy. A friend of mine is a designer, and she let me pick her warehouse, and I found this little, well, it's not very little, but it's a metal wall art. Of course, I forgot to get a picture of it before I started, but here it is. I had just added the blue. Mostly I was looking to get rid of the red and give it a modern update. Okay, so I found a place for this. It's gonna go outside on my patio, right above this little couch set that I have. It'll hang perfectly right there. Now to get it finished painted. I really get a kick out of watching myself paint super duper fast. To add a brighter blue, it's called mermaid tail, to the center of the flowers, kind of give them some dimension. I couldn't stop there, then I added a little bit on the petals. Kind of it opens it up a little bit. Okay, now I am going to try to use some of my little black dress, black paint, and this is metal, and I want to give this a wash so it doesn't look so orange, yet still looks kind of wood-like. I'm gonna try to do a real light black swipe across each side, and we'll see how it works. I might have to end up painting the whole entire frame black. Dry brushing the frame with the black really worked. It still looks like wood, and it still has a little bit of texture kind of look to it. I'm so glad. So I took a little bit of water and added a couple of drops to these little things I had painted and just kind of blended them in a little bit. It makes it look a little softer. Next, I'm going to paint the fleur-de-lis black, and then I'm going to use my pennies from heaven, also from Debi's Design Diary, to kind of highlight it all and give it a little shine, like it might be old copper or something. This song came on right when I was adding the pennies from heaven. I think it's a sign. So the next thing I did was take my clear spray paint and give it all a good clear coat. That'll also help keep it safe from the elements while it's on my porch. I was prepared to put a screw right in the siding, right above that little couch, when my husband said, "What the blank are you doing? You cannot put holes in my siding." So I had to come up with another idea, and I looked around and found a wreath hanger, one of those kind of wire things you hang over your door and then you put your wreath on. I had to give it a little bit of spray paint, a little tan, to match the house color a little better. It was standing out as bright white. Have a look. There just so happens to be a old unused vent cover here, and I'm going to put this up there. It needs to be right on that corner, and hang my picture, or actually my metal art piece. The old boat will be gone this week, but here we go. It's my favorite place to be. I really think this metal part brought it all together. These are strawberries right here in the front. My geraniums are doing crazy good. They look like velvet. Now I know the wreath hanger isn't really the prettiest, but until I can come up with some command strips, it's gonna have to do. I really like it. It adds to this patio. Kind of makes it feel more like a room. If I can remember, I'll get some nighttime pictures with the lights on, and we'll see how it looks then. I just love this patio, especially in the evening. My solar lights come on, and now it has a cool new picture. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It helps it to grow, and it shows YouTube I'm doing something over here. Have a great day.